back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Summer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite meals, and that is a poke bowl. It's so simple to make at home. It only takes a few ingredients, and the best thing is you can add in whatever you like to it and kind of just make it your own. So before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and at the very end, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. All right, let's start with the ingredients that we're gonna need. I'm keeping it pretty simple today. I didn't have everything that I normally would use in my bowl, but I have enough, and this is what I got at the store yesterday so that I could make a bowl last night and today, and also kind of just use up what I had on hand already. So first and foremost, you're gonna need whatever type of fresh fish you like in your poke bowls. So I personally just like salmon. I know a lot of people like tuna. Totally up to you. So I just went to Sprouts in the fresh fish, fresh meat section, and I asked for a pound of fresh Atlantic salmon. It's usually about $6.99 per pound. She hooked me up and gave me a pound and a quarter. So shout out to her. So you need your salmon, of course, or your fresh fish. And then the rest is pretty much up to you and how you like your bowls to be made. You know, when you go to certain places, they let you kind of make your own bowl, add in whatever that you like. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have on hand that I like to use. So I love fresh avocado in my bowls. So I have a huge avocado here. I like to put some lemon, squeeze some lemon on my salmon. I love a little crunchiness in my bowls, so I add in these chow mein noodles. They're so cheap. I think this whole bag was like less than $2 at Albertsons. Can't go wrong. Some fresh mango. I just love the kick that it gives. It's so refreshing, especially during summertime when you have one of these bowls and you just get that fresh fruit in there. It tastes so good. And then I like to put all of that on top of my rice. This is a packet that's already been used and opened from Trader Joe's. I live off these packets. So if you like to cook your rice fresh, shout out to you, because I do not have the patience to do that, but sushi rice with this would be so bomb. But I just don't have the time or the patience for that, so I just pop one of these in the microwave for 3 minutes and boom, my rice is ready to go. Lastly, I like to top my bowls with everything but the seasoning from Trader Joe's. If you haven't gotten this, you're sleeping on it. I don't know where you've been living. And last but not least, on top of my poke or my salmon, I love to add fresh pineapple salsa. This is actually my best friend's mom's salsa business, and this pineapple salsa is amazing. It's my favorite one out of all of her salsas, and it gives it just a little bit of tanginess, sweetness, and spiciness all at the same time. So let's get into it. I'm gonna move the camera closer so you guys can get an up close view of how I kind of put it all together. that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed following along. Remember, you can add your own twist to your poke bowls. If I had everything I wanted, I would add in cilantro, red onion, green onion, all the 9 yards. I love to pack my poke bowls with so much stuff. I remember I went to a poke bowl place one time. They even had like crushed hot Cheetos, but I don't have hot Cheetos. Otherwise, I would definitely put them in there. But grab a fork and enjoy, you guys.